Welcome to all. In this video, we discuss about Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. The detailed comparison and the network fundamentals are we discuss in this video. First of all, what is IP address? We have to see a logical address for device in a network. I provide a key point here which will be help you to understand in better manner. It only enable the identification and the communication used in packet routing. So normally IP address in the sense we can say www.google.com. Instead of google.com is a good domain name. For our easy understanding we have a textual name. On the other side it consisting 0 to 127 within the range. It have on a different IP addresses and different classes. So this numerical address is usually called IP address. IPv4 have 32-bit address length written in dotted decimal format. Example 192.168.1.1. In these 32 bits divided into 4 octets, total address 4.3 billion. It have a variant class A, B, C used for unicasting and the class D used for multicasting, class E used for experimental. We not work it up into real-time applications. IP address type we called 3 type of addressing: unicast, broadcast, multicast. Then limitation of IPv4, it have a limited address space. Say for example, we have to see that it have only a few IP ranges that we have to discuss here. It consisting 4.3 billion. Nowadays 4.3 billion shows very minimal because the computers range will automatically increase. Websites or the range count day by day will increase. So it have a very less in count. So future they are trying to implement IPv6. Limitation is limited address space, security issue, no built-in encryption, NAT complexity. So that they are trying to move IPv6. Internet Protocol version 6 have 128-bit address in length, designed to replace IPv4. Hexadecimal notation, here octal notation, here we using a hexadecimal notation. Example, it will be in the format of hexadecimal notation that will be shown in the PPT. 8 group of 16 bits we have. Features of IPv6 is huge address space, built-in security and simplified header, no NAT required here. IPv address type similar like IPv4, it have a unicast, multicast and anycast. IPv4 simply 32-bit decimal, IPv6 128-bit hexadecimal. IPv support more devices in addressing. IPv4 versus IPv6 header oriented comparison. IPv4 have a complex header and IPv6 have a simplified header. Improved routing efficiency. IPv4 optional security, IPv6 IPsec mandatory, better data protection it provides. IPv4 manual or DHCP used. IPv6 auto configuration supported, easier network management. Then transition technique, it have a dual stack channeling and NAT64. Advantages of IPv6 compared to IPv4, it's very scalable, security, performance oriented and future ready operations. Application of IPv6 used in the IoT networks, 5G networks and cloud computing. IPv4 is still widely used, but in future of internet definitely IPv6. Gradual transition we progress. Presently we are progressing to IPv4 to IPv6. Thank you for the listening. Thank you.